right, good evening, boys and girls. For homework tonight, we're going to do number 1 just like we always do. You have 2, and you're going to join one more. You can draw a picture to help you. You're going to solve these 3. Some of my classes already noticed there's something similar about 2 of the questions in number 1. You're going to look and see if you can figure out that pattern. That would be awesome. For number 2, we're going to write the numbers that come after 32. Does after mean my numbers are going to get larger or smaller? Larger. So we're going to do the ones that come after, so they're going to go larger. For number 3, how many blocks are not shaded? Boys and girls, this is shaded, so we're going to count the blocks that do not have any big, black, bold ink in it. Do you understand? So you would do like 1, 2, 3. I'm going to stop there, but if you understand, give me a thumbs up. All right, you'll finish that on your own. 4, draw an X on the shape that cannot be made by joining squares. Boys and girls, when we see that word cannot, we know they are trying to trick us. Cannot means you're finding the wrong answer. So you're going to see which one of these cannot be made by joining squares. So could I use squares to make this shape? Could I use squares to make this shape? Could I use squares to make this shape? Figure out which one cannot be joined using squares, and that's the one you're going to put the X. If you need to draw little squares, I would recommend it. Number 5. Draw a ring around the correct set of words. Let's read that all together. Are we going to put greater or less? Okay, if you need to draw a picture of your 10s and 1s to help you, I would recommend that. Do you have to do that? No. If it helps you, should you do it? Yes. Yes. Let's see, what number is this?
47. 16.
I'm sorry, I heard someone say the wrong number. Can we say that again?
45.
45. And what number is that?
16.
So you're going to figure out which words we're going to circle. Don't answer it out loud because we want to let our friends at home figure it out. Which whole number is less than 25? Less than. Does less mean the number is going to be bigger or smaller?
Smaller.
Very good. Which whole number is more than 38? Is the number going to be bigger or smaller? Bigger. When we're saying more, then we're looking for that bigger number. Kylie and Drew were collecting leaves at recess. Kylie found 16 leaves and Drew found 11. Draw a picture to show the leaves each girl found. Compare the number of leaves and circle who found more. Guys, this is a lot of steps. First, you're going to draw a picture. How many did Kylie find?
16.
16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Uh-oh. I want to make sure I'm not mixing up Kylie and Drew, so I'm going to change colors. Do you have to do that? No. Can it help you?
Yeah.
Yes, that's a strategy you could use at home. Drew found how many?
11.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Do you see how doing it different colors is helpful? Now it says, did we draw our picture? Yes. Now we're going to compare and see who found more. So you're going to see if Kylie found more or if Drew found more, and you're going to put a ring around the answer. Do you see I put a K and a D to help me? That's what I want you to do tonight.